Welcome, egg lovers. Today we're cracking open the truth about eggs. Are they really one of the healthiest foods? And is hard-boiled better than fried? Stick around to find out. Let's start with why eggs are so exciting for your health. 1. Rich in protein. One egg packs about 6 grams of high-quality protein to keep you full and strong. 2. Loaded with vitamins. Eggs contain vitamin A, B12, and D, plus choline, which supports brain function. 3. Good for the eyes. They have lutein and zeaxanthin, which help protect against macular degeneration. 4. Boosts metabolism. The protein in eggs can increase your metabolism, helping with weight control. 5. Supports heart health. Despite old myths, studies show eggs may raise good cholesterol, HDL. 6. Keeps skin and hair healthy. Eggs contain biotin, which helps strengthen hair and improve skin health. 7. Great for muscle repair. Perfect post-workout food for muscle recovery and energy. 8. Fills you up longer. Eating eggs for breakfast can keep you satisfied and reduce cravings. 9. Supports brain health. The choline in eggs is essential for memory and mental clarity. 10. Affordable and easy to make. One of the best budget-friendly superfoods out there. Now, let's talk about the ultimate egg battle. Hard-boiled versus fried. Which one is better for you? Hard-boiled eggs. Lower in calories because they don't require added fat. Plus, they retain more nutrients because they're cooked gently. Fried eggs. Tasty, but depending on how they're cooked, they can absorb extra fat from butter or oil. Sunny side up and poached eggs are better options if you want a middle ground. So who is the winner? Hard-boiled eggs are healthier, but if you love fried eggs, cooking them in a little olive oil is a better choice. So, eggs are packed with benefits. And if you're looking for the healthiest way to enjoy them, hard-boiled is the winner. But hey, fried eggs are still a great choice if you cook them right. What's your favorite way to eat eggs? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye for now. See you in the next video.